Welcome to my channel Tech Features Live. Today I am going to unbox QJet USB 3.1 SATA hard drive dock. You can also call it 3.5-inch hard disk case or SATA to USB hard disk drive enclosure. I am opening the parcel now. I can't find where I put my special unboxing knife, so I using a blade. Okay, this is the box. Let's open it. The box contained SATA hard drive dock, cm 3.1 USB cable, mounting screws, (12V 2A AC power adapter, welcome guide booklets. You have to slide to open it. Here is the SATA connector. And you have to slide to close it. Here you find USB port, power input point and on-off switch. Okay, I have already connected it with computer by USB cable. These are the status indicators. Let's slide in the drive to connect it. Now it is possible to transfer file between computer and drive. Okay, that's all for today. And please leave comments and subscribe. Thanks.